Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, we need to click that subscribe button. I only have one subscriber and I need a bunch. So, I just want to make a video. I'm bored. And I have jump rope club school tomorrow. I have this Eagle shirt on. And I'm going to have you guys help me pick out my clothes for jump rope club. And pick up a snack for school. So let's get on with the video. So I got to where I am today. I'm gonna have a cherry lollipop, it's a Dum Dum. We have a whole bowl and we just got more candies home. Guys, Thursday is Halloween and that's when I will be selling merch. Just kidding. Well, I'm making merch. So it's really almost the same thing, but not. Guys, hold on. Let me get this. I'm not a big fan of them, but I like them. Have you ever tried these Pockies? You can buy them at any store. This is cookies and cream. I'm praying my brother. Doesn't like me biting it, so I won't bite that. Then
God, you bit that.
It's wet.
Go.
No, it isn't. No, it isn't. It's a butterfinger.
Go.
I've known him forever, but Alvin Gentry in Toronto,
Butterfinger. Okay, guys. I'm gonna be done with this video because I have to post. So, bye, guys.